What's up guys, and welcome to the 44th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial it's all about new delete operators with an array. In the previous tutorial we looked at new and delete operators. However, in this tutorial we will use the last tutorial's code, take out what we don't need and then put in what we need. Without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so I'm just going to paste the last tutorial's code into this tutorial. All the code is stored in GitHub. The links are in the description so you can take what you need. Okay, so we can remove everything that says struct date because we don't need this anymore, so take that out. We can then remove this and change this into int star birthday equals new int square brackets 3 and then close that off. And then we can just cancel this all out for a minute because it's giving so many errors. And then we can say birthday, remove all this, have an array and say 0, close it off. We can now take that away. This should be changed to number 2 or number 1, sorry. So number 1, close that off. Get rid of that. Change this to number 2. Okay. We can take all this away and change this to 0. So if I just take this and put it here, do the same with this one, put that there, do the same with this one, put that there, and then right at the bottom we can say delete curly, or not even curly, just square brackets birthday. So now this should work and this should print out I was born on the 20th of May 1940. But before we run the program we can see what's actually happening. So where it says int star birthday equals new int 3, this is a way to allow you to get the memory for a date array from the heap. In the previous tutorial it was get the memory for a date from the heap, and now we can get the memory for a date array from the heap. Where it says birthday 1 equals 5, assign values to the month, so the date, the month and the year. Where it says birthday 0, all this is allows you to display the date. Right at the bottom where it says delete square brackets birthday, return memory to the heap. So if I run this, we'll see what we get. Build succeeded and it says I was born on the 20th of May 1940. So that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.